Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to introduce you the Cardo PackTalk Bolt. Basically the best intercom available in the market for your helmets, and I do use it on my Nolan, which is back there, and it's the perfect combination between helmet and intercom, and it is really good. There are two things that are very important on this Cardo. First of all, it's the sound quality. It's very clear and very good, the sound with the JBL speakers. And the other thing, it's the DMC, the dynamic mesh communications, which basically makes all the difference compared to the competitors. Dynamic mesh communication will enable you to connect 15 riders at the same time, 14 plus you, don't forget to count you, at the same time, and enjoy your rides. What's the difference between this intercom and the other ones? It's the DMC, what it's called. Basically, traditional Bluetooth, you connect the intercoms, and if one rider loses the group, all the riders on the group lose communication, and then when you reconnect again, you have to pair everything manually, blah, 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 blah. DMC, no. You are in the group, 15 riders, 7 riders, 8 riders, doesn't matter. If you split for some reason, the riders on the left keep talking between them, the riders on the right keep talking between them. If more ahead you guys get together again, the DMC automatically connects everyone and you don't have to do anything about it. It's simple, effective, and works like a charm. So it's something that stands out from all the other intercoms in the market, and I do like this nice feature. I saying this because I do have intercoms from other brands, okay? I do have my Next with the 10C, and I have my it's a Shark with the 5S, and I have other helmets out there with the Chinese, the ones that I bought in China. They all work, but the sound is not the same, and the Bluetooth, of course, it's traditional Bluetooth. I lose the rider, I lose the communication. Basically, that's it. What comes in the box when you buy the Cardo PackTalk? Basically, the unit, and then you will have headphones from JBL. You have 2 bases, one clip-on, another with 3M. You will have some Velcro, and you have the mic, of course, 2 mics, one for open face helmet and one for closed helmets. And everything that you need to connect it is there, and it works like a charm. And once you connect everything to your helmet, then you can connect the unit, simply align the pins on the front and then push it in the back until you hear a click, and that is done. How to connect the intercom? It's super easy. You have 3 buttons, 1, 2, and 3, and you have this jog dial. It works perfectly. But to connect, you press this one and this one at the same time. It will connect, and the light will stay either green or blue. In this case, it is green because I'm on DMC mode, but if I want to change to Bluetooth mode, the standard mode, I press these buttons twice, at the same time, and now it is blue, and it's changed for Bluetooth. And I do prefer to have it on DMC, so I'm going to change it back to DMC. And if you do answer, if you have a call, you can use either of these 3 buttons. Press it once to answer the call, press it for 2-3 seconds either of these 3 buttons, and you can decline a call. Or if you want to put it in mute, you press the jog dial 2 seconds and rotate for each side. It will continue to call, but you will not hear the ringing on your helmet. And just to make it a little bit quieter if you don't want to be distressed. Another interesting about this system, it's the natural voice commands, where basically say, hey Cardo, and give it a command. You have a list of commands when you buy it, like turn on radio, turn on music, answer, and shut off radio, and all those next track, previous track. So you have the list of all those commands. They work fine, and they let you not use the buttons or even the application, which I have here and I'm going to show you in a while. It's waterproof, dust proof, and it has the range of 1.5 kilometers traditional Bluetooth. If you do use the mesh, it can go to 8 kilometers. And like I said, I'm looking here because I'm going to open the app. only you have to pair the intercom with your app, which is quite simple, which basically you have the intercom here, you put it on Bluetooth mode, press these two buttons, okay, it's upside down, so I'll turn it around. Now it's Bluetooth because it's blue, and you press this button here, which is the phone, for a few seconds. This one will be like the cops blinking blue and red, and then pair Bluetooth standard on your phone and connect the app. And once you connect the app, where is my app? It's here. You will have this super simple screen here. Nothing fancy, very intuitive, very easy, quick access. We can access all the things very easily on the screen. The radio, the music, this is the favorites and everything. The phone, where you predefine the speed dial, and then your favorites if you want. You have intercom, where you have the DMC, and as you can see, I already have a group on DMC, which another Portuguese motovlogger. We have a group here, and then you can do it with Bluetooth. And something I almost forgot to mention, I can do bridge with other intercoms from other brands, which means I can have other brands on my DMC or other brands on my Bluetooth connection. So this is very important. So it's not strictly to Cardo, okay? You can use other intercoms. Music, basically play next and previous. Radio, choose a station, memorize it, next, previous station, nothing special. And finally the wheel up here on the top, where you go to your settings, where you have audio settings, profile settings, unit language, and basically just simple settings that you can use. And if you have any questions, you can use the user guides here, and they clarify all the questions that you have about this intercom. Something else that I forgot to mention is that the unit, it does have this antenna here that helps you have better range with the communication. It's very simple. Pull it down and pull it up if you want better range and better communication. It works like a charm. And I also want to mention my partnership with CarTrack, the GPS tracker for your motorcycles. It only works in Portugal, unfortunately, but there's a link in the description if you know anyone in my country, and it will help me a little bit. And also, I want to remind you to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you receive my future videos, follow my other networks, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!